CyberLandr sets a new standard for RV kitchens. From its chef-inspired wide, deep tri-level sink that incorporates a wash bin, colander, drying rack, and cutting board to become an efficient workstation, to the large countertop that combines the beauty of marble with the easy maintenance and durability of porcelain, to the invisible induction cooktop that can bring water to a boil in half the time of a gas range and still stay cool enough to touch. Combining high touch with high tech, the controls for the range are touch sensitive and integrated into the countertop, and the faucet can be controlled by touch, touchless, or voice. Even the cabinet is special. Made of the same FDA-approved HDPE used for expensive outdoor cabinets and cutting boards, these solid surface cabinets will never rot, peel, delaminate, or require finishing. Don't be surprised if this becomes your favorite kitchen. CyberLandr, where will you take life?